Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all, students? I hope all of you are fine. So firstly, recite a dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase me in knowledge. So students, what did we learn yesterday? Yesterday we have done verb activity by reading a story. So now we will do verb page number 26 and page number 27. So mention the date and day on your planner. Okay. Now open page number 26. Write date and day here above of the page. Today's our task is verb. So what is the verb? Verb is an action words. So it is a word that shows actions as eating, walking, riding, jumping, etc. Okay. So we will write here in the blank space. It is a word that shows action as eating, walking, etc. जो भी एक्शन हम करते हैं, ठीक है, उनके लिए जो वर्ड्स यूज़ होते हैं उनको हम वर्ब कहते हैं. ओके. सो नाउ लुक एट दीज पिक्चर्स and write the verbs that matches it. Like the first is reading, and the next, what did you see in this picture? Yes, someone is driving, so you will write here below of the picture driving. And what is in the next picture? Walking. And in the next, jumping, and we will write here jumping. And what is in the last picture? A boy is drawing something. We will write here drawing. Have you done? Good. So next is circle the verb in the word search. Here is a help box. आपके पास help box दिया गया है like verbs beginning with letter S and verbs beginning with letter P. Okay, P और S के साथ आपके पास words दिए गए हैं. जो S हैं उसको आपने इस words में से search करना है straight line में, और जो P letters word हैं उनको आप downward search करना है. Okay, so the first letter is pick. Find it here on the third line downward, P-I-C-K, pick. So find the word starting with the letter S, stop. So where is the stop? Here, S-T-O-P, stop, in a straight line. Now you have to search all these verbs starting with letter P and S. Okay, आपने ये वर्ड सर्च करने हैं और इनको सर्कल करना है इन स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड डाउनवर्ड लाइन. ओके. नाउ कम्स टूवर्ड द पेज 27. फर्स्टली मेंशन द डेट एंड डे. ओके. एंड हियर इज आल्सो द वर्ब वर्कशीट्स. So the first is write the verb in the list on the right which fits each space. आपने इन ब्लैंक्स में राइट साइड पे जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं उनको लिखना है. ठीक है, राइट वर्ड्स जो हैं वो लिखने हैं. सो द फर्स्ट इज टू डैश अ बर्ड. फाइंड अ वर्ड फ्रॉम दिस लिस्ट एंड पुट इट हेयर. टू डैश अ बोट. To row a boat. We will write here row. So the next is to dash a pen. To buy a pen. Write buy here. The third is to dash a basket. to make a basket. We will write here make. Number 4, to dash a line. To kill a line. Write here kill. Okay. Number 5, to dash a meat. Which word fits here? Roast. To roast a meat. And the next is to dash a game. To play a game. We will write here play. To dash a car. To drive a car. Write here drive. Number 8, to dash a tree. To plant a tree. Have you done? Good, excellent, mashallah. So the next is match the columns to find out the noises these animals make. आपने इनकी noises के साथ animals को match करवाना है, okay? So the first is a lion. And lions make a roars. So match the line with the last word. Here, roars. A dog barks in the front of dog. Match it. Good. A cat meows. So match the cat with the word meow. Like this, match the other animals with their voices. Okay? आपने उन animals को बाकी उनकी voices के साथ match करना है. Now open page number 28. Here is homework for you. So you will mention the date and day and write the correct verbs in the blanks. Words दिए गए हैं, आपने ये blanks in words की help से fill करने हैं, okay, in sentences को. And also you have to take care of yourself. Stay safe and sound. Fi amanillah.